Good morning, students.
Good morning, ma'am.
Good morning, ma'am.
Good morning, ma'am.
Good morning, ma'am.
So in the last class, which examples I had given as a homework?
Ma'am, 4th, 5th, and 6th, ma'am.
4th, 5th,
And 6th.
6th.
Ma'am, you should do 8th one, ma'am.
Ma'am, 4th you had only done on the board, ma'am. 5th and 6th was the homework.
Yeah, 5th and 6th was a homework, right? 5th means
Two options.
2 problems were there. First one I had done. Or you only I told you to do.
Ma'am, both we
You
did.
only, ma'am.
Okay, fine.
Both you gave as a homework.
For 5th mean first one, what you got the answer? The number of terms?
Ma'am, 34 term.
34.
30.
34, ma'am.
Yeah, it's correct. Anybody is having doubt about this?
No, ma'am.
No.
No,
Fine.
ma'am.
Yeah. Then what is the answer for the second one?
27.
Ma'am, 27.
7 term.
Everybody got the same answer?
Yes, ma'am. Yes, ma'am.
Anybody is having doubt in this?
No, ma'am.
No. If anybody is having a doubt, you ask me.
Ma'am, explain 6th one, ma'am.
Yeah. So check whether minus 150 is a term of a AP. So it is the AP they had given there. Can anybody tell me?
11, 8, 5, and 2.
This is exercise 1.2, 11, 8, 5, 2, right? Yes. Like this is it continuous. What you should check whether this minus 150 is a term of this or not, term of this AP or not. So let us find out first. By seeing this AP, we can draw some given values. That is A. A is what? 11.
11.
D is
Minus 3.
yeah, sorry. 8 minus 11 is equal to minus 3. Yes. So A value is 11, D value is equal to minus 3. This much we can do because the last term. So what we will do, this minus 150, it is a term of an AP. How to find out? So what I will do, as it is a negative term, okay, negative number, I'll consider this as a AN and I will check. Okay. What you know A value, D value, and I will consider this minus 150 as a AN, that is a last term. Then what we don't know, we know A, D, AN, we don't know the N, means what is which term is minus 150. Let us calculate that N value. So you will come to know. If you get in the last term, I explain you.
Last term.
Is if it is that number is in term of an AP, means you will get always. Harshit, mute yourself.
Sorry.
Okay, so if that is a number, a term of an AP, means you will get the whole number. If it is not a term, you will get the what? Which number?
Fraction
Oh,
form.
fine. So what I will do, did you understood what I'm considering that minus 150 as a? Anybody is having doubt in that?
No, ma'am.
No, ma'am.
So the formula is AN is equal to A plus N minus 1 into D. Substitute all the values. So AN I had considered as minus 150. So A I considered as 11 plus N we don't know. Keep it as it is. D is minus 3. Okay. So plus 11 I'll shift this side. You will get minus 11. Are you understanding?
Ma'am.
N minus 1 into minus 3, you keep it as it is. So minus 150 minus 11. How much you'll get?
minus
Ma'am,
161.
Minus 161 is equal to n minus 1 into minus 3. Or I will multiply this inside the bracket because we need to find minus 3 into n is minus 3n. Minus into minus is plus 3. Is it clear? Now
Yes, ma'am.
in plus 3 this side. What you will get? Minus 3.
Minus 3.
161 minus 3 is equal to minus 3 and keep it as it is. So here again like signs. When you add, what you are going to get? So
minus 164.
164.
Divided by
Divided by shift this minus 3. Okay. So minus 3 is equal to 1. Here, don't think that minus 3 is there. When it comes here, it will become plus 3. Not. See, what is the relationship between the another number or the term you should check. This 3 is multiplied with the n. When it shift this side, you will get as divide. Is it clear? Yeah.
Yes.
So here minus get cancelled. So n value is equal to 1 divided by 3. Cancel this.
Yes, ma'am. 54.6.
You will not get a whole number, right? You will get in the form of decimal.
Yes, yes,
Yes.
ma'am.
So then this 150 minus 150 is not a term of the given AP. You should write. So as n is not a number, therefore minus 150 is not a term of given AP. I think in the notes it is not there, this sentence.
Yes, ma'am.
Okay, you must write it. Is it clear? Only this sentence. N is not a whole number, therefore minus 150 is not a term of a given AP. Yes, is it clear for you?
yes, ma'am.
Yeah, out right? Yeah, did we solve 7th one, students? Seventh one, did we solve or not?
Yes, ma'am, we solved.
No, ma'am.
No, ma'am.
No,
We solved,
ma'am.
ma'am.
No, ma'am.
Okay, now we will go for 7th one then. So anybody is having doubt in this problem?
No, ma'am.
Yeah. Shall I erase this? Hello.
Yes, ma'am.
Are you
Yes,
there?
ma'am.
Yeah.
Excuse me, ma'am. On that day, 7th and 8th also you solved, ma'am.
That's what I'm remembering, that I solved. So they are telling not solved. So what is this? I'm thinking like that. Yeah, I think solved. I solved a 7th and 8th, right?
Yes, ma'am.
Yes, ma'am, you solved, ma'am. 7th and 8th was over.
Okay. So these 3 were given as a homework. Now I should solve 9th one, right?
Yes, ma'am.
Yes, ma'am.
So 9th one, I think you are having textbook, students. Everybody.
Yes, ma'am.
Yes, ma'am.
Yeah.
ma'am.
Okay. So anybody is having doubt, you please just tell me so I can stop, and I will just again I will explain it. Okay. Yes, everybody.
Okay, ma'am.
Video. On your video, Arjun, Bhargav, Bhavana, Kishore, Prajwal, Kishan and Kishore. Yes, can you see me here? Kishore, Kishan. Tell good morning to me, let us see. Sharan, on your video, Sharan. I know that where you are sitting, no problem, you on your video. Sonu Sharma, on your video. Tarun, both Tarun, on your video. Tejas Varun, on your video. Vaishnavi, Varun Gowda, Vidyashri, on your video. And Yogesh, on your video. Yes. Shall I solve next now? So if the third term and the ninth terms of an AP is 4 and minus 8, respectively, which term of the AP is 0? Now, who will tell the meaning of this problem? First, what is the given thing? And what is the, you should raise your hands. Abhinaya, can you tell me? On your video, Abhinaya and Bhargav. Kishan, on your video, Kishan. Vaishnavi, Varun, Yogish, shall I go on telling only this or shall I do the class? I will read out the question once again. If the third and the ninth terms of an AP are 4 minus 8 respectively, which term of this AP is 0? Nobody knows? Bhavana?
Ma'am, A3 is equal to 4.
Wait, Jivita, 1 second. Bhavana? Harshit?
Yes, ma'am.
What is the given thing in this?
Ma'am, we should find the. Ma'am, we should find the which term is 0. It will come, ma'am.
What I asked you the question. What is the given thing?
Ma'am, they have given the third and ninth term of an AP is minus 4 and minus. Sorry, 4 and minus 8, ma'am.
Yes. So Bhargav, how we can write that? Bhargav, how we can write that? Only 2 or 3 are answering in this class. If your parents ask me, shall I tell the same thing? I will show this recording only. Abhinaya, you should respond. You know or don't know, that is secondary. You should respond to the teachers, right? Monica? Prajwal?
Ma'am,
Yes, tell me how to write the given thing.
Ma'am, you should put the formula for that.
Yes, Prajwal, tell me.
ma'am, we have to find out 0, ma'am. I mean 0 term.
See here, they had given third term. Third term can be written as A3 is
4.
4. How we can write in the general form now A3?
A is equal to
A
A
plus
plus 2D.
2D.
Prajwal, what they
Ma'am.
told?
A 2 is equal to
You are
A
not
plus 3D.
I think so. You are not at all interested in studies. On your video first. On your video. On your video, I am telling. A3 can be written as Sharan. How to write A3? Sharan. A3 in the general form.
Ma'am,
A3
Ma'am,
in
is
the form. Yes, tell me.
A, A,
Huh, A?
A minus
A. How many?
A
So
is
A2 is equal to plus D. A3 means here 2 is there, means 1 less should be multiplied here. Then A3 means what you are going to get?
Ma'am, ma'am, A,
C is equal to 4. Yes, this is the given thing. Next is A9 is equal to ninth term they had given A. Sharan.
Ma'am.
Mute yourself.
Yes.
Okay, and this can be written as A plus 8D is equal to minus 8. Now what they are telling, these two terms are given. Now they had given one number, that is 0. What they asked us to calculate, so which term is the AP of this given AP is having the term as 0, means n value you should find out. They had given that 0 is one of the term of this AP. Okay, so which term is that AP, means n 16th term or 15th term, which term is that 0 you should find out. For that, first we need to calculate A value and D value. Okay, first we need to calculate A value and D value. So then it will be easy for us. We will consider again this 0 as a AN. 0 as a AN, and then we will consider the n value, so that 0 is present in this AP. So which term of an AP is 0? We will find out it. Is it clear? Is it clear?
Yes, ma'am.
Yes, ma'am.
You understood the question? Anybody is having doubt? I will explain once again. Speak out.
explain
Ma'am,
once
can you
again, ma'am.
explain once again, ma'am?
Sure, I will explain. See here, they had given third term of an AP is equal to 4. Okay, so that we are going to write as A plus 2D by using the general form. Next, ninth term of an AP they had given as minus 8. So that ninth term can be written in the general form of as A plus 8D is equal to minus 8. Now they are asking 0 is the one of the term of the AP. Okay, so you should check the when n value, means how either it is a 10th term is n 0 or 12th term it is n 0. That term, which term is n 0, means n value you should find out. So to find out the n value, you should be knowing A, and AN we will consider as a 0. We'll consider this as a last term, and we will find out the n value. So AN value we got, but we want A and D value, right? Yes or no?
Yes, ma'am.
Yes, ma'am.
Then we will use these two equations to get that A and D value. Earlier we solved. So now we don't know both the values. So I will consider this equation. I'll shift this 2D this side. A is equal to 4 minus 2D. All this equation 1. Are you understanding? Anybody saying
Yes,
doubt?
ma'am.
No, ma'am.
No, I will substitute A plus 8D is equal to minus 8. In this, I will substitute A value. Okay, A value is what? 4 minus 2D plus 8D is equal to minus 8. Anybody is having doubt? Vidyashri, are you there?
Will you please explain again, ma'am?
Which one, dear?
On the same line you explained now, no, ma'am.
This one, equation 1.
Yes, ma'am.
So here A3 can be written as A plus 2D is equal to 4. I will shift this plus 2D this side. So you will get A is equal to 4 minus 2D. So you call this as equation 2. Substitute A value in the equation 2. Okay. So when you substitute,
Why we have to shift, ma'am?
because to get A value, we don't know here. D value also unknown. A value also it is unknown. So when you substitute here, so here when there are two variables are unknown, it is very difficult to find out both the values, right? So in
Yes,
such
ma'am.
cases, we will go for substitution method we call. What do you mean by substitution? Means we will keep it one variable as it is. We will try to express the first variable as a second variable in terms of y only. For example, x plus 6. We want these both values means this is equal to 0. I will just shift this one this side. X is equal to minus 6. Okay. If both the variables are unknown, you should go for substitution method. This method is there in linear equations of two variables chapter. Okay. So we will go for substitution method. We will find out the unknown value A by shifting this 2D. So now A value what you got? 4 minus 2D. Okay. So this value I will substitute in this second term, second equation. Second equation. So A value I will substitute as 4 minus 2D plus 8D. Keep it as it is equals to minus 8. Doubt clarified? Somebody asked me the doubt. Why
Yes,
we
ma'am. Clarified.
now until this clear?
Yes, ma'am.
Yes, ma'am.
So now I will shift this plus 4 this side. So and I will simplify this minus 2D plus 8D. What you will get? Wait, I will ask. Arjun, 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 Kishan, Kishore. Priyanka,
Yes, ma'am.
tell me Priyanka.
Yes, ma'am.
When you shift plus 4 this side to that side, what you are going to get?
Ma'am, minus 4.
Very good. So next, you will get this side minus 8 minus 4. Very good. So now next is Sharan. Sharan, you had, okay, I had asked you. Sharanya. Sharanya.
Yes, ma'am.
Sharan, can you tell me?
Ma'am, what, ma'am?
So minus 2D plus 8. Sharan, so much of
Ma'am?
disturbance. Sharan, you mute yourself better. So much of disturbance. I can't hear anything. Sharanya. Sharanya.
Yes, ma'am.
Okay, tell me minus 2D plus 8D. How much you are going to get?
6D. 6D, ma'am.
Yes. See it. So unlike signs, subtract and consider greater number sign. So that is plus 6D you are going to get. So next. Shravya.
Yes, ma'am.
Shravya, tell me.
Ma'am, D is equal to 6 divided by 12.
D is equal to 6. D is equal to minus 12. Because this term has to be told, right?
Okay, ma'am.
So next, what is the D value here? Wait. Oh, because I should interact with everybody. Everybody should be there. Sonu Sharma.
Ma'am, D is 6, ma'am.
How D will be 6, man?
Minus 2, ma'am.
Nah. Sushma. So today I'm going to give a few names who are not at all responding to my words. Sushma, are you there?
Yes, ma'am.
Sushma. So I'm not listening to you.
Ma'am.
Yes. So now, can you tell me what will be the D value? D is equal to minus 12 by 6. What will be the D value?
Minus 2, ma'am.
Minus 2 on your video. So 6 ones are 6 twos are is equal to minus 2.
Ma'am, 2. Minus 2.
Is minus 2. Yes. Now what you should find out, we will consider let an is equal to 0. You should find out whether this 0 is present in this AP. Already it is given. So which term is 0? So means I will consider this as a an. Now an is equal to a plus n minus 1 into d. So is equal to a is what here? Who will tell? Tejas Varun. Tejas Varun. Tejas Varun. Are you there? Tell me first, what is the A value? Tejas Varun. Tarun Sridhar, can you tell me what is the A value?
Ma'am, 2.
Wrong. We didn't get only still A value. Nobody told me that.
Ma'am, A value is 8 now, ma'am.
Yeah. How to
Ma'am,
get
we
it?
have to find it.
Y is equals to 4 minus 2D.
Doing this, nobody told me. No, ma'am, we should find out the A value. So I was also writing this. So let us see when you are going to tell. What is this? Now consider first equation. A is equal to 4 minus 2D. A is equal to 4 minus 2 into minus 2. A is equal to 4 into minus is plus. 2 2s are 4. So A is equal to 8. Anybody is having doubt? See here. So 4 into, this is multiplication. So 2 2s are 4. Minus into minus becomes plus. 4 plus 4 is 8. Now, there is 8 we are going to get. N we don't know. So D value. What is the D value? Tarun Sridhar. Tarun Sridhar. Tarun Sridhar. Tejaswini. Tejaswini. Vaishnavi.
Minus 2, ma'am.
Yes, Vaishnavi. Minus 4. So now I will shift this 8 to this side. Yashwant, what will happen?
Ma'am, shall I tell, ma'am?
Who is that? Shall I?
Prajwal.
Wait. Varun Gowda. Varun Gowda. Vidyashri. Vidyashri. Yashwant.
Yes, ma'am.
Who is talking?
I'm Yashwant, ma'am.
Yashwant, tell me, when I shift 8 this side, what you are going to get? Plus it will become what?
Ma'am, shall I tell, ma'am?
Tell me, Prajwal.
Divided by no, ma'am. When we
8
shift that,
plus
Ma'am,
Prajwal.
minus 8, ma'am. Ma'am, minus 8.
Plus 8 is there. When you shift here, you will get minus 8. Okay. Minus 8 is equal to n minus 1 into minus 2. Now minus 8 is equal to n minus 1. Minus 2, it is multiplied with the n. When you shift here, you will get as divide. Yes?
Yes, ma'am.
Is it clear for you all?
Yes, ma'am.
Yes, ma'am.
Minus get cancels. 2 1s are 2 4s are.
4. Ma'am.
N minus 1 is equal to 4. N is equal to 4 plus 1. N is equal to 5. Yes? Is it clear?
Yes,
Yes,
ma'am.
ma'am.
Yes, ma'am.
Yes.
ma'am.
So this is the means fifth term of this AP is 0. That is the meaning. So you should be able to understand first the question, students. It is very important. Question should be understood properly. Then only it will be easy for you to what solve. If you not understand the question, you will not get that question of what is given thing, what to be considered and what to be calculated. Yes. Yogesh, are you here? Yogesh. Yes. Yes, students. So now we will go for the 10th problem. Can you read anybody the 10th problem?
Shall I read, ma'am?
Srishti, read. Srishti.
Yes, ma'am. The 17th term of an AP exceeds its 10th term by 7. Find the common difference.
Yeah, very good. So, Mrudula, can you tell me what is given in this?
Yes, ma'am.
Yeah.
And the 17th term of an AP, we should exceed the 10th term by 7, ma'am.
Yeah, you tell me in the equation form.
Ma'am, A17 is equals to AN plus 7.
Yeah, very good. So 17th term exceeds the 10th term by 7, means A10 plus 7. What is the meaning of this? Means if you want to get the 17th term, how you are getting? For 10th term, if you add 7, you are going to get the 70th term of an AP. Are you understanding? Are you understanding? Yes?
Yes, ma'am.
Term
Yes.
is exceeds its 10th term by 7, means how you are getting the 17th term? When you add for 10th term plus 7, then you are going to get the 17th term. Yes, understood? Anybody is having doubt in this? Anybody is having doubt in this?
No, ma'am.
No, ma'am.
No, ma'am.
Yes. Now, write this in the general form. Jivita, can you tell me? A17, how to write in the general form?
A17 is equal to A plus 16D.
A plus 16D. Very good. So next. Abhinaya. 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 Are you there? Not there. Daria. Daria Kumari. Arjun. Yes. A10 can be written as. Yes, Harshit, tell me.
Ma'am, A plus 90.
A plus 9D plus
Plus 7.
So now you can see that when I shift this A this side, I will shift this A this side and 9D also this side because like terms, no, to solve. So this A I will keep it as it is. Plus A, when you shift here, you will get as minus A. Yes? Is it right?
Yes,
Yes.
ma'am.
So now plus 16D, you keep it as it is. So plus 9D, when I shift here, you will get as minus 9D, right?
Yes,
Ma'am.
Equals to 7, keep it as it is. Now here see, plus A minus A get cancels.
yes, ma'am.
So plus 16D minus 9D is how much?
Ma'am, 70.
7.
Very good. So 7D is equal to 7. So D is equal to 7. Yes. So 7 ones are 7 ones are D is equal to 1.
1.
Yes. Because here 7 is multiplied with the D. When you shift here, you'll get as divide. Anybody is having doubt in this?
No, ma'am.
No, ma'am.
Understood?
Yes, ma'am.
Yes, ma'am.
Yes, ma'am.
Shall we go for the next?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay. Mute yourself. 11th question. Who will read the 11th question? Kavita. Kavita, read 11th question, Kavita.
Which term of the AP 3, 15, 27, 39 will be 132 more than its 54th term?
Yes. Okay. So what is the meaning of this means? Here AP is given, that is 3, 15, 27, 39. So this is an AP. So which term of the AP will be 132 more than its 54th term? So here what term is there? That is 3, 132. It is a term of this AP. So more than 54th term means what will be this equation? So here AN means the nth term what you are going to find out here are AN is equal to A54 plus 132. Which term of a AP will be 132 more than 54th term? What is this term which is more than the 54th term of an AP plus 132? Means we are going to get one term. That term we don't know. That we are considering as a AN. That we are considering as a AN will be 132 more than this 54 term. If I take 54th term as a X means, so this term plus 132 will be this nth term. Are you understanding? Okay. Which then what you should calculate? So by using this equation, so the n value you should find out, because AP is given. From there you can drag A value, D value, and here we had got the equation. Express this A54 and AN in the form of a general, that is AN is equal to A plus N minus 1 into D. You substitute their D value and A value, then solve it, you will get the N value. Here what we should find out? N value. Okay, so once again I'll explain you which term of an AP 3, 15, 27, 39 will be 132 more than the 54th term. Here one term is there, we don't know that. So we had taken that term as AN. But how to get that term? So when you add 132 for 54th term, you are going to get that. So that number we don't need to calculate. So by seeing this AP, you drag this and substitute in this equation. So we will calculate the N value, that's all. So N value means how many number of terms are there in this, we will calculate. So did you understood or anybody is having doubt? Hello.
Understood, ma'am.
Understood, ma'am.
Yeah. So shall I solve this, or it's already time up? Will you solve this? I'll just substitute and show.
Yes, ma'am. Okay, ma'am.
Once again, I will write this equation. So here AN is equal to A54 plus 132. So here AN is equal to A plus N minus 1 into D. Here A54 is equal to, how you can write it?
A plus 53.
A plus 53.
D plus 132. Yes. So now what you do is, from this equation, you drag A value. A value is equal to 3.
Yes, ma'am.
Yes.
D is equal to 15 minus 3 is equal to how much? 12.
12.
So here A is 3 plus N value we don't know. D is 12. Is equal to A is 3 plus 53 into 12 plus 132. First you must solve this. What is there in the bracket? So when you solve this equation, you are going to get the n value. So shall I solve it 1 minute? Within 1 minute I can solve.
Yes, ma'am.
Okay, fine. So next, what we can do here next?
Ma'am, we have to multiply inside the bracket, ma'am.
That this 3 get cancels, no? Yes or no?
Yes, ma'am.
Ma'am.
Get cancels. When you shift this 3 this side, you will get 3 minus 3. Get cancels.
Yes, ma'am. Plus 3 minus.
So 12 into n is 12n minus 12 into 1 is 12. 53 into 12 is how much, students?
636.
630.
636 plus 132. So I will shift this minus 12 this side. So 12n is equal to 636 plus 132 plus,
12.
when you add this, what you are going to get? 780.
780.
So n is equal to 780 divided by 12.
12.
65.
Or by 2 you can do. So 2 6 are 2 3s are 6, 2 9s are, then 0. Again 2 3s are, 2 1s are 2, 2 9s are 18, 2 5s are. Will you solve this further?
Yes, ma'am.
Ma'am, 64.
This one by 3. 3 2s are 6, 3 1s are 3, 3 3s are 9, here 0. Again 2 1s are 2 6 are 12, 2 5s are, yes,
60.
equal to 65. N value is equal to 65. Yes. This cancellation bit fast I explained. I think you're familiar with the cancellation, so I done that. So if anybody is having doubt, I will explain cancellation again in the next class. Anybody is having doubt in this?
No, ma'am.
Yes, you can log out and practice these problems only today. I had not given you any homework.
Okay, ma'am.
Okay, bye. Bye, have a
Bye,
nice
ma'am.
Bye, ma'am.
Bye, ma'am. Thank you, ma'am.
bye.